This is Manoj. Welcome to Creative Petals. It's December, no? Everybody is waiting for Christmas. Christmas is coming. That's why we are going to make a Santa Claus today. Let's begin the journey of drawing Santa Claus easily. I will teach you how to draw Santa Claus very easy. Okay? Let's start. Let us draw a Santa Claus. This is an easy method. This is for small children. Okay? Let's draw. First I am going to draw the eyes. This is for small children. Okay? This is eyebrows. Eyebrows I am drawing. Okay. Head part, ears, hat,
big mustache,
smiling face. Okay. Okay, we have finished the drawing. Now we will color with crayons. Okay, only two colors are required. One is light blue and another one is red. Okay. Okay, Santa Claus is ready. Now try another Santa Claus. This is a bit more complicated. Not that complicated. You can easily draw. This is for the bigger kids. And let's draw. Okay. These are the eyebrows. Eyes. Nice, beautiful eyes. Now we will draw nose. Okay. Even if you are not getting the right one, you have to try and try until you get the perfect one. Okay. Drawing is really fun. Let's draw the ears. Let's color it. Okay, I'm taking 2-3 red color, one red color, another one is carmine color, and a dark orange. These are the colors I am taking. Okay. It's nice, no? I am giving a bit darker shade on the outline part. Now the Santa Claus is almost finished, and you can try this at your home. While making Christmas card also, you can draw like this and make a card. It values very much than you buy a card from a shop, because you have been doing all the hard work to make a beautiful card. That will be very much valuable for your friends too, and you can share your cards to your friends, your relatives, your mom, your dad, whoever you like. Okay, try this drawing at your home. Hope you like this episode. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is Creative Petals, and please tell your friends to subscribe our channel. These are the two drawings which I have made. This is for small kids, and this is for bigger kids. Both drawings are easy. You can try it at home. Let's wind up this episode. Bye.